In this video, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop with both audio and video as a host. First, open Zoom on your laptop and start or join your meeting. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a toolbar with different options. Look for the Record button and click on it. Once you click Record, you will have two options. The first option is Record on this computer. This saves the recording directly to your laptop as a local file. The second option is Record to the cloud. This saves the recording online so you can access it from anywhere. Choose whichever option works best for you. Once you select it, you will see a small recording indicator appear in the top left corner of the screen. This means your meeting is now being recorded with both audio and video. The recording will continue until you stop it or until the meeting ends. To stop recording at any point, just click on the Stop Recording button at the bottom of the screen. Once the meeting ends, Zoom will automatically process and save your recording. If you chose to record on your computer, the file will be saved to your Zoom folder on your laptop. If you chose the cloud option, you can access it by logging into your Zoom account online. It is that simple. As a host, you have full control over recording your meetings at any time. That is how you do it.